What is up, everyone? You're watching Team Knowledge channel, and in this video I will show you how you can fix Play Store not working issue on Samsung Galaxy M32. So before starting video, if you are first time on the channel, just don't forget to subscribe and also hit the bell icon for more latest videos. So if you are facing Play Store not working issue on Samsung Galaxy M32, then first of all you just need to go to settings and then follow every single step as I'm showing you in this video. Hope so this will fix your issue.